everybody, this is Bria Still. Thank you guys for tuning in and welcome to my channel. This is my first video 2023. I just feel so good, so excuse me if you can hear it in my voice, but yeah, so we just gonna get right into it. This video is just us cleaning up, decluttering, organizing some things around the house in order to bring in the new year. So I want to bring y'all along with me. Thank you for watching and following along in this journey. I hope y'all enjoy it, and yeah, let's get going. So this was actually a few days prior to the new year. I like to bring in the new year with a clean house, clean linens, deep cleaning the kitchen and the bathrooms, washing out the laundry, all of that. Like, I just like to bring in the new year feeling clean and refreshed and just organized and put together. I feel like it gives me a good foundation to start the new year off that way. So usually, like, I would try to bring somebody in to do the cleaning for me, because by the end of the year and after the holidays, I'm usually like tapped out. But this last time, I just felt like a real burst of energy and excitement for 2023. Plus, I just feel like there's nothing like turning on some music and cleaning your own house, because can't nobody clean it the way you clean it, So this was really a big deal for me. Like, I mean, I had a whole cleaning schedule for the week. I had an activity planned out for the kids to bring in a new year, and then I even had some self-care planned for me. So I just really was feeling it. Like, I was really feeling it and wanted to bring in the new year on the right foot. So as y'all can see, the kids is going through some old stuff, some clothes they can't fit, getting rid of some things, and then folding up some clothes too.
What is this? Gosh, your little chicken is on. Move to tell you if you're having a baby or not. Where you doing? Can we try?
No, you can't try it.
No,
these are old. No, all right, no.
These are. Where you put it at? Where you put it at?
You don't put it nowhere.
How did it work though? How did it work?
Oh, like if you're taking a temperature kind of?
Yeah. How
Just kind of read your body and see.
You just put it in your mouth.
No, don't do that.
Where do you put it?
I'm not telling you. You don't put it nowhere. You put it on the counter.
It's how does it work? It's how does it work?
That's right. Getting into this next clip, we in the media room, getting some things cleaned up, removing the crumbs and stuff, because technically this is like the kids' room where they like to watch movies and stuff like that, and they spend a lot of time in here. So I had to move the couches, vacuum up under the couches, and all of that. In the previous clip, like I was saying, we were going through some clothes and stuff, and some bins of like baby clothes and stuff, and the kids had found a few of my pregnancy tests that I kept from when they were babies. So I don't know why I kept those tests, y'all. Are there any other moms out here that like still have baby stuff? I remember my mom used to do that, and as a kid I would always look at all of my old baby stuff that she kept. So I just thought that was, when they were babies, I just thought that was like a cool idea, to keep some of their baby stuff. But now I'm like, listen, I'm not trying to hold on to this stuff for life. So yeah, we had to go through it, y'all. Yeah, she felt like she wanted to help out, and she helped a little bit, but that didn't last too long. They went all back on their tablets after a while, so it was basically just me cleaning up, listening to music, moving around the house. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy, watch me clean up a little bit, and I'll come back in just a few. So the kitchen is probably one of my most favorite areas to clean up any day over the bathrooms and doing laundry. So y'all see me in the kitchen mostly moving around. What do you guys use to clean with? I swear by Zep. That's what's in that spray bottle. Y'all see me spraying on the cabinets. I actually happened upon Zep during the pandemic, and I've been using it ever since. Like, I swear by it. I just recently bought the pink stuff, so I'm actually gonna try that out. I've seen other YouTubers use it, and I've heard good things about it, so I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. So this is the activity that I had mentioned earlier for the kids to bring in the new year. It's basically like a little clock. Y'all can see me drawing the numbers on the clock on just a piece of paper. I got a piece of I don't know what you call it. It's a roll of paper that I got from Dollar Tree. And you blow balloons up and put a balloon on each number. And as basically it's just a countdown. As each hour hits, the kids get to pop a balloon up until 12 o'clock midnight, which of course brings in the new year. So everybody pops one, and then when midnight hit, we all popped that yellow balloon together as a family. I just felt like this was a good way. I think I saw this on somewhere. I don't know if it was Instagram or Pinterest, but I saw it on some homeschool group that I'm in, and I just thought it would be a good way for the kids to like remember, like, you know, how many more hours do we have left? Instead of asking that all day, they could look at their clock and pop their balloons. It kept them like engaged, you know, for the new year up until the new year. So yeah, this was pretty cool.
So they waited out soccer and playing basketball.
Okay, so you want to play soccer and basketball in the new year.
And doing creative stuff.
And doing creative stuff. Okay. What kind of creative stuff?
Like designing shirts.
Okay. So designing your own apparel, shirts,
Right.
Playing more basketball and playing more soccer.
Because I'm already starting to do good.
Yeah, you are. Okay, Leilani. What's something you're claiming for the new year? You want to be. So that last clip was just us as a family standing around in a circle, going around and sharing our goals and intentions for 2023, praying over ourselves and our new year. I truly enjoyed channeling my creativity while doing this video, and I super duper appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and we will see y'all. You might see my robe too, don't trip, but we will definitely see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Like our video and subscribe to our channel.
Do it now.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Let's get it.
Happy New Year, y'all. Happy New Year.